In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an export GIF in Figma using Motion Plugin. We'll start right inside your Figma file. Make sure you already have a design element you want to animate. This could be a logo, an icon, a button, or a simple shape. It helps to keep your layers tidy and grouped inside a frame that matches the final canvas size you want for your GIF. So what you preview is what you'll export. Next, open the Figma menu by clicking the Figma logo in the top left corner of the app. From there, head to Plugins. If you don't see what you need right away, select Manage Plugins to access the full list and the search bar. In the search field, type Motion. Animate your designs. This is the plugin we'll use to build the animation and export it as a GIF. Click Motion. Animate your designs to launch the plugin. With the plugin open, select the element on your canvas that you want to animate. Selecting first ensures Motion knows exactly which layer to target. Inside Motion, you'll see controls for keyframes and actions. Think of keyframes as the moments in time where you set a property like position, scale, rotation, or opacity, and Motion will animate the changes in between. Start by setting an initial keyframe for how your element looks at the beginning, then move the playhead on the timeline and add another keyframe where you want it to end up. Adjust properties between those keyframes to create movement. You can fine-tune easing to control how the animation accelerates and decelerates, and you can tweak duration to keep the motion snappy or slow and smooth. Use the preview to play it back and make incremental adjustments until it feels right. A short, clear motion, often 1 to 3 seconds, usually works best and keeps your GIF size manageable. When you're happy with the motion, it's time to export. In the Motion plugin, choose Export and select GIF as your format. Before confirming, check the settings. Pick the resolution that matches your frame. Enable looping if you want it to repeat continuously, and consider a solid background color if transparency isn't required. This can reduce file size, then export and let Motion render your animation. That's it. You set up your element, opened the Motion plugin, added your keyframes and actions, and exported a clean GIF. If your file is larger than expected, try shortening the duration, simplifying movements, or reducing dimensions slightly. With this workflow, you can quickly turn static designs into shareable, eye-catching GIFs right from Figma.